Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post with someone on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application and click on the plus icon in the bottom and select any post. So I'm going to select this one for example. Click on next and here you can add effects, sound, so it is up to you. So I'm going to click on next and here you can see an option of tag people. Click on that option and here you can see invite collaborators. Click on that. So let's suppose I'm going to invite any random person. Okay, so this one, and here you can see if they accept, your post will be shared with their followers and they will be shown as authors of the post. Okay, and then you simply need to click on this tick mark and share. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.